Welcome to the HIVEN Setup Guide. This video demonstrates how to install the device for safe and effective use. Check that you have the device, power cable, instructions for use, and a sterile drape ready. Clean all surfaces with a disinfectant wipe. Avoid the power socket and use of glycerol-based detergents. Once the installation of the ultrasonic aspirator is complete, you can install the HIVEN device. Installation requires a scrub nurse and a circulating nurse working together. Place the device on the tubing as close to the handpiece as possible, within 50 centimeters. The scrub nurse drapes the handpiece and waits for the circulating nurse to position the device. The circulating nurse connects the power cord, opens the device, and places the tubing inside. Following the indicated direction. The circulating nurse pulls the sterile drape over the device and extends it fully along the tubing. The circulating nurse plugs the device power adapter into the mains socket. The scrub nurse powers on the device by pressing the power button for 3 seconds until an audible sound is heard and the white light turns on. The play button is then pressed for 3 seconds to start calibration, indicated by a blinking green light. A permanently lit green light indicates the device is ready for use. The device may be placed on a table, the bed, or the patient, as appropriate for the surgical setup. Position it at the same level as or below the expected operating position of the handpiece to maintain a level or downward tubing path during use. Avoid sharp bends in the tubing. Secure the device in place with tape or clamps. Check that the handpiece movement is not restricted and the operational lights are on. Tissue stuck in the tubing may cause delayed detection, and excessive blood in the tubing may reduce the sensitivity of the device. The following practices help minimize these risks and ensure optimal performance. Use the flush pedal frequently to clear blood from the tubing and ensure the tubing remains clear. When the surgeon is not using the handpiece, the scrub nurse aspirates fluid to keep the tubing clear. Use constant aspiration and ensure sink functions are off. Higher irrigation and aspiration improve flow. Optimize the ultrasonic aspirator settings for HIVEN use according to the suggested settings for your ultrasonic aspirator model. HIVEN is now ready for use. Always follow the official instructions for use and your hospital's protocols